I'm going to go ahead and do an additional cold start video. I didn't realize the camera was my lens was so dirty when I was doing the other one. The car's been sitting out for a couple of weeks, so a little better example of a cold start than the last one. It's not cold out here or anything today, but it has been sitting for a couple of weeks. Again, it's already 80 some degrees here in Tucson this morning, but I'll go ahead and do a cold start video, true cold start from a couple of weeks. So I'll reach down and touch the headers. Everything's stone cold. Yeah, it's cold as it gets. Okay, there you go. There you can see exhaust. There you go. Thank you.